Hi, Adam Sweet here from Sweet Music. I just want to do a quick couple-minute video showing the difference uh, in holding the mandolin and guitar. So this is for guitar players who are transitioning over to mandolin. Okay, so the primary difference with the left hand is that we don't really use our thumbs very much. The thumb is more of a visual indicator of the position you are on the neck. Whereas on the guitar, the thumb is underneath and you push down your fingers and push up with your guitar to brace against the neck. So that's different. Um, the second difference is you want to have a straight wrist like this. You never want to do this or that. And that has to do with the fact that on the mandolin, we're going to use all four fingers, including the fourth finger on the seventh fret. And finally, the third difference is that you push down on the string right on the tip of your finger, right behind your nail. So like this, um, rather than this. Okay, this is the way the guitar player will do it, and this is the way the mandolin player will do it. Um, and that means that the fingers are going to line up on the fretboard with a straight wrist, with the nails pointing generally towards the bridge. Not exactly towards the bridge, but generally towards the bridge. Okay? So that's the primary difference between holding the guitar and holding the mandolin. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to direct message me through Facebook or contact me through my website at sweetmusicstudio.net.